In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Eevee with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. I created a plane, pressed Shift D to duplicate, typed S to scale, and typed R, X, and 90 to rotate it like this. Then I used metaballs to create the cat shape. Shift D to duplicate, and type G and Z to move the duplicate one up or down. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. This was the original depth map, and the Stable Diffusion result. Then I used Stable Diffusion's image-to-image feature to produce higher quality images. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.